Need cash to scale your Amazon business? Here's how to secure funding fast. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group. Let's dive in. Okay, so number one is the Amazon lending program. People say this program is dead, but it's not. So all you have to do is just go into Amazon Seller Central. You're going to go to sell.amazon.com/programs/Amazon lending. Now this is going to take you to the Amazon lending platform. It's going to say finance your goals, log in to see details. Then it's going to give you some options, hopefully, on different lending options. So we've got Uncapped, up to $189,000 loan. It's fixed fee between 3% and 24%, up to 18 months, right? You can start fast approval, receive approval in as little as 24 hours. Imagine getting $189,000 in 24 hours for a loan. Pretty nice. You got SellersFi. We got 141,000. We've got other ones, 70,000. Parafin, right? Total payment amount of advanced and one-time capital fee. No interest, one-time fixed fee. So this is a different option. So we've got ones that have interest, right? So this is a fixed fee. This one's an APR, a fixed fee. This one is 1 to 15% of gross sales. So this is a completely different option, right? Payments are based on gross sales and debited automatically from your linked bank account. So this could be a really good option if you don't want to pay interest. And I mean, not bad at all. Number two is going to be Payability. So free access to your Amazon seller balance. Boost your cash flow today with our free Visa Seller Card. Now this one's not actually like a loan per se, but it gives you access to your Amazon Seller Central account balance extremely quickly. So you're going to get paid like instantly instead of it taking 14 to 30 days, which is definitely going to help with cash flow. So this is like a second method, like an add-on. So if you go out to eat and steak is the number one thing you want, this is like the steak, the first one that I mentioned. This one is like the French fries, right? So putting them together makes the meal much more enjoyable, and it also helps with your lending. Now next we do have SellerFi. Even though if SellerFi doesn't show up on here, we got it right here. You can go to SellerFi.com and get funded right here. So growth financing for Amazon sellers. And you can get funded and then fill out the application with the fun stuff. Next is going to be weareuncapped.com. Fund your inventory, fund your marketing. It's got all this. It's got good Trustpilot examples. Again, just get funded and see if you can register for that. Next one is going to be Clear.co. So again, funding solutions for managing cash flow. Get funded. Can get funded in 24 hours. No collateral. No personal guarantees. That's pretty. I didn't know. Usually you have to do a personal guarantee. What are they doing? How are they even in business still? Hey, if it works, it works. So you can click get funding and get funding. Usually you have to do a personal guarantee. So this one you could pretty much like not pay off. Anyway, Kickfurther.com is another one. See my funding potential. So you can click here. Never miss another opportunity of growth, right? You can your company's revenue and all that fun stuff. Kickfurther will fund up to 100% of your inventory cost of goods sold. So this is another good one that you can go to. Parafin.com, simple and fast financing. So you're approved for up to $30,000 for your business. Parafin's suite of capital products ensures that you have the right financing options are available to your merchants. And you can kind of just go through this and see how this one does. We're thrilled to announce our 100 million Series C financing. So looks like they're doing good. And they have different options. So you've got flex loans or term loans. So you can see what's different and what you need to do. And then my last one is our recommended apps. So if you go to our website and you go to recommended apps, we've got one right here that doesn't pull your credit. Well, it doesn't ding your credit. It doesn't do a hard pull. It does a soft pull, so it doesn't affect your credit. But you can go to under Chase and click Start Now. And then once you're here, then you can compare different businesses, right? So you can actually double check, be sure to apply to the page and get bonuses, but compare your credit cards for the best business needs. Now this one right here is no annual fee, and it did give us a $20,000 credit limit, and we didn't have to pay it back for 12 months. So we didn't have any interest on it for 12 months. You could literally charge it to like a PayPal and then deposit into your bank account, right? That $20,000. And then you don't have to pay it back for 12 months. You don't get any interest on it at all. So it's really, really good. And you can check these out on our website. So a credit card is also a really good option. And again, 20,000, not bad. But that's it for today's video. Leave a comment below on any funding sources you've tried in the past and how it worked. If you learned something new, drop a like. If you're an Amazon seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Amazon journey. And of course, if you need help with increasing sales, anything mentioned in this video, or just help selling on Amazon, contact EHP Consulting Group. The link is right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. Also, our #1 service is our full A to Z Amazon account management service. This is where we'll fully manage your Amazon inventory, calling Amazon, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is so you can spend time working on your business instead of in your business every day, like calling Amazon for hours on end just to fix an issue. Save time, money, and increase sales with ehpconsultinggroup.com. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, and I'm signing out.